Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video what we learnt related to that concept 1, we are having that worksheet. Those worksheet we discussed in the previous video. Now, in this video we are going to discuss about that concept 2, which is related to comparison and ordering of numbers. Okay, first see that comparison and ordering of numbers. First we will see that comparison of numbers. First say that how to compare given numbers. Comparison of numbers. Okay. First say that the first point is different number of digits. If two numbers are having different number of digits, then how we can say that which number is having that more digits, which number is having more digits, then that is the greatest number than the other. That is the first point. What is the first point ma? Here different number of digits. Different number of digits. Here children see that different number of digits means here see 9764 and in the same way 756. Like this two numbers are there. How to compare these two numbers? How to comparison how to do that among these two numbers? Okay. Now here see that different number of digits means here how many digits are there ma? 4 digits, which means this is a 4 digit number. 4 digit number. And this is having here 3 digits, which means this is a 3 digit number. Now how to compare these two numbers means which number is having more digits, which number is having more digits, that number is greater than the other. That is the first point. Here what we can say here 9764 is greater than 756. 9764 is greater than 756. Okay ma, this is the first point. Okay, next second one is if that two numbers also having a same number of digits. Two numbers are having, if two given numbers are having, same number of digits. Same number of digits, then how to compare? Okay ma, now here see that 9765 and in the same way here another number is 9864. 9864. Understood? Now see that here how to compare these two numbers. Okay, first see that here 9765, here 9864. How to compare these two numbers? Just say that those two also having that same number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Same number of digits only, no? Okay. Now compare that. First the greatest place value of those two numbers is thousands place only, no? So first starting onwards thousands place. Okay. First compare that thousands place digits. What we will get here? See that here 9 is equal to 9. 9 is equal to 9. If that the digits in that highest position, if those two are same, just to go for that next place value. Just we have to go for that next place value. What is that next one ma here? Hundreds place value. Hundreds place value here 7 is there. Here 8 is there. No, 7 is less than 8. 7 is less than 8. Okay, here easily we can compare it. Yes or no? Here this is 9765, this is 9864 and here first place highest position, highest place value is thousands and the thousands place value what digit is there, in the two numbers also we are having that same digit only. That's why just we have to go for that next highest position. Next highest position after the thousands is hundreds only, no? In that hundreds which number is there ma here? In hundreds place here 7 is there, here 8 is there. By comparing 7 and 8, which one is greater here? 8 is greater. That's why here 9864 is greater than 9765. Or comparison means here greater than or less than or is equal to. Three signs we are using now here. Next we can write this one as 9765 is less than 9864. Yes or no? Okay. Yes. Here I will give you one more number. See that 75642. Another number is 75641. Which number is greater? Which number is smaller? Okay, again how to check ma? Again the highest position. The highest position of that place value means the starting digit only, no? Starting digit itself. Okay, here the starting number is 7. 7 is equal to, here also 7 is there. And here the next digit is 5. Next highest place digit is 5 here. Here also 5 and here also 5, same only. Next you have to go for that next highest place digit. That is hundreds place. Here 6 is there, here also 6 is there, 6 is equal to 6. Next you have to go for that next place value, that is 4. Here also 4. And finally we are having here 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Here 2 is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. Understood ma? Now finally what we can say here from this one, 2 is greater than 1 means 2 is there in that first number now here. Then here 75,642 is greater than 75,641. In this manner just you have to do that comparison. Understood ma? Simply what is that first point? The first point is if the two given numbers also having that different number of digits, then easily we can say that which number is having more digits, that is the greatest number than the other. Understood? That is the first point. And coming to that second point, here if that given two numbers are having that same number of digits, then how to compare it? First always go for that highest position. Highest position means highest place value digit. First always compare that highest place value digit. If that those two are equal, then next go for that next highest place value digit. If that is also equal, next you have to go for that third highest place value digit. Okay, if those two are equal, then also next you have to go for that next highest fourth place digit. Understood ma? In this manner just you have to compare the given numbers. Understood ma? This is about that comparison. After that we are having ordering numbers. Okay, here comparison and in the same way ordering also. Ordering means we are having two kinds. What are those ma? Ascending order and descending order. Let us see here. Now see that comparison and ordering numbers. Comparison and ordering numbers. Okay, just say that here we are having that ascending order and descending order. Okay, here I will write that. See, ascending order, descending order. Okay ma? Here say that ascending order and descending order means increasing order. Okay, small to big, increasing order. Okay, how what we can say? Ascending order means small to big, and in the same way we can say that another point, what is that? Increasing order. Increasing order, that is called ascending order, like this. Okay, next descending order means big to small. Descending order means big to small, and in the same way we can say this one as a decreasing order. decreasing order. How to show the diagram here? First greatest numbers, next smallest numbers, like this you have to take. Okay, this is a decreasing order. And this is increasing order. And those two also opposite to each other. Okay, if you know that how to write in ascending order, its reverse order is called descending order. Or if you know that how to write a descending order, its reverse order is called ascending order. Just see the diagrams ma, those two diagrams just opposite to each other. Okay, here see that small to big, increasing order, big to small, that is decreasing order. Understood ma? So this is about that ascending order and descending order. Now how to keep that, how to arrange that numbers in ascending order and descending order. Okay, now say that the given numbers are 9765, 432, 9856, 2943. Understood? Okay, for that numbers, first write that ascending order. First write that ascending order. Ascending order means which order? That is increasing order. Increasing order means small number to biggest number. What is the smallest number among those four numbers? First what we have to check? First we have to check that all the given numbers are having that same number of digits or not. Okay. Now here see that. This is a 4-digit number. This is 3-digit number. This is 4-digit number. This is also 4-digit number. Okay, here we can observe that one 3-digit number, left over 4 also 4-digit numbers, left over 3 also 4-digit numbers only. Understood? What is that first point we learn in comparison? If that given numbers are having that different number of digits, then always the number which is having more digits, that is greater than the other number. Yes or no? Now here which number is having that less number of digits ma? That is the 3 only, no? Okay, that's why first we have to write the number as 432. Why? Because small to big. What is the smallest number among them? 3-digit number, that is the smallest number. No need to compare. Next we are having that 3 4-digit numbers are there. Okay, now here see that what are those numbers here? 9765, next 9856, next 2943. 3 4-digit numbers. First which place value we have to check? Highest position place value. Highest position place value means this one only, no, we have to check. Now these two are equal. Okay, next here 2 is there, no, and we know that 9 is greater than 2, which means 2 is less than 9. Yes or no? 2 is less than 9. Automatically what is the smallest number? Next smallest number is 2943 only, no? 2943. Clear ma? Second number also we got it. Next third number. How to got that third number here? How to find? Third number means out of these two numbers. 9765 and here next one 9856. Out of these two numbers, which one is greater and which one is smaller? Actually, first we need to write that which one is smaller number. Okay. First check that highest position. 9 is equal to 9. Next, second highest position. 7 is less than 8. 7 is less than 8. Then here automatically we know that 7 is less than 8 means 9765 is less than 9856. Now here what is the smallest number here? 9765 is the smallest number. Next and finally we are having one and only number, that is 9856. This is called arranging ascending order. Arranging the numbers in ascending order. Understood? Now how to write in descending order? Descending order. Okay, descending order means biggest to smallest. Biggest to smallest. Here small to big. The reverse order of ascending order only, no? Here what is the greatest number? 9856. Next number 9765. After that 2943. After that 432. Big to small. Understood ma? If you know how to write that one order, either that is ascending or descending, easily second one you can write it. In reverse order you can write that. Understood ma? Yes. And in the same way, by using comparison, here in that first concept, actually they given that frame or form 4-digit numbers or 5-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers by using given digits. At that cases also, see that the question is form 4-digit greatest number and 4-digit smallest number. 4-digit smallest number by using the digits 2, 3, 0, 5. 4 digits they are given. By using those 4 digits, just we need to frame that 4-digit greatest number, 4-digit smallest number. Okay, 4-digit greatest number. How to write that greatest number ma here? Always to write that greatest number out of 4 given digits. What is the greatest digit? Always you have to check. What is the greatest number here? 2305. Which one is the greatest number here? 5 is the greatest digit. Then here 5. 5 after greatest number is 3. 3 after greatest number is 2. 2 after greatest number is 0. This is the greatest 4-digit number. And in the same way, smallest 4-digit number, say that. Smallest 4-digit number. What I told you ma? If you know that how to write that number, greatest to smallest you written means this is descending order only, no? To write that smallest number in reverse order. Reverse order means smallest to biggest, which means in reverse order we can write that number, no? 0, 2, 3, 5. Is it a 4-digit number or 3-digit number? This is a 3-digit number. Why? Because the starting 0 is there, no ma'am. 0 is there left side of the given number. Left side of the given number 0 is there means there is no value to that. Okay, then we can read this one as 235 only. Understand? That's why this is a 3-digit number. But they are asking here 4-digit number, no? Okay, that's why here to change that, to interchange that first and second place value digits. Okay, just write that 2 before and just write here 0. 3, 5. Remaining digits as it is you have to write. Always just you have to change that first digit and the next digit. Always keep that 0 in the second place. Understood? Here while you are writing that a 4-digit number. Understand ma? Now here this is the 4-digit smallest number. 4-digit smallest number by using the given digits. Understand? In this manner just you have to frame that 4-digit greatest number and 4-digit smallest number by using the given digits. And in the same way children, some of you just you are thinking 0 to 35 is this is a 4-digit number. That is not a 4-digit number ma, that is a 3-digit number. Why? Because starting 0 is there means we all know that 0 independently that is not having a value. If you are keeping that 0 left side of any number, that is not having any value. Understand? That's why here this is 3-digit number and this is 4-digit number. Okay children, up to here comparison and arrange the given numbers in ascending order or descending order. Okay, that concept completed. In that next video we will discuss about that estimating numbers. Estimating numbers means that is nothing but round off numbers. Round off numbers already you learnt in that earlier classes, no, previous classes. In 4th class, 5th class also we learnt about that round of nearest tens, round of nearest hundreds, round of nearest thousands. Okay ma, those concepts we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you.